Ever wonder what hides behind a dry desert waterfall? Yesterday, I hiked up Carr Canyon here in Sierra Vista. From a distance, the massive falls looked completely bone dry. But scrambling closer to the cliff face, I discovered a hidden world. These tiny rock pools are called tinajas, and they hold on to the very last drops of mountain water. There was even a miniature ecosystem thriving right here, packed with resilient desert insects swimming around. The monsoons will turn this into a roaring torrent any day now, but finding this secret pocket of life was magical.